Listen, I want you to be honest for a second. How many times did you sit down to study and within 5 minutes your brain said, I'm bored, let's take a break? How many habits did you start with excitement only to quit after 2 days because it felt too hard? If this sounds like you, then you need to hear this. Because today, I'm going to show you how to reprogram your brain to actually crave doing hard things. Studying, working out, building your future, all the things you've been avoiding for months. And I promise you, once you understand how your brain works, you'll stop fighting yourself. You'll finally feel in control. See, students don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because their brain is trained to chase comfort. The brain is always scanning for the easiest path. Scrolling feels easy. Netflix feels easy. Lying on the bed feels easy. Your brain loves anything that gives instant pleasure. But here's the reality nobody tells you. Your brain is not permanent. Your habits are not permanent. You can literally retrain your brain to enjoy effort. And it starts with understanding one simple truth. Your brain avoids hard things because it thinks they're painful. Not physically painful, mentally painful. Anything that feels uncertain, uncomfortable, or demanding is registered as a threat.
So your brain pushes you away from it. That's why you procrastinate. That's why you delay important work. Not because you're weak, but because your brain is trying to protect you from discomfort. But the same brain that avoids hard things can be trained to love them. And it all starts with the first 10 minutes of your day. The start of your day is when your brain makes its biggest decision. Do we chase comfort today or growth? You have to win this moment. So here's what you do. The moment you wake up, do one small but slightly difficult thing. Not studying for 2 hours, just something small. Open your book, make your bed, drink water, write a to-do list. These small actions release small hits of dopamine, not from entertainment, but from effort. And dopamine from effort rewires your brain differently. It builds a mindset of momentum. Your brain slowly learns, oh, doing hard things feels good. And once your brain learns this, everything else gets easier. Now let's talk about the afternoon, the biggest trap for students. Afternoon is when your brain gets tired, bored, restless, and ready to give up. This is the danger zone, where 80% of your productivity dies. So here's the trick. You don't fight your brain, you reset it. Do a micro win. Study for 5 minutes. Solve one question. Rewrite one messy note. These tiny actions give you a quick sense of progress, and progress releases dopamine, and dopamine brings your focus back. Then give yourself a tiny reward, a 2-minute stretch, a sip of water, or just looking outside the window. You're teaching your brain effort equals reward. And slowly, the brain begins to crave that cycle again and again. Now let's move to the evening. Evening is where most students think about all the things they didn't do. They feel guilty, stressed, and useless. But guilt does not build discipline. Identity does. Who you think you are decides what you do. So every night, sit quietly and write 3 small wins of the day. Not big achievements, even small ones like, I didn't quit, I studied a little, I tried my best today. This simple habit rewires your identity. You stop seeing yourself as someone who always fails, and you start seeing yourself as someone who improves daily. And once you believe you are a person who grows,
Consistency becomes natural. Now here's the mindset shift that will change everything. Hard things will never become easy. Studying will never magically become fun. Waking up early will always feel uncomfortable. Working on your dreams will always take effort. But you don't need things to be easy. You need to become stronger. And the moment your brain realizes that effort equals growth, discomfort equals improvement, and discipline equals freedom, you start craving hard things because they give you a deeper reward. Self-respect, confidence, control over your life. And trust me, once you taste that feeling, scrolling won't satisfy you anymore. Laziness won't feel good anymore. You'll want more from yourself. So here's what I want you to do today. Start small. 5 minutes of effort in the morning, 1 micro win in the afternoon, 3 small victories written at night. Do this for 1 week, just 7 days, and your brain will change. Your energy will change. Your focus will change. And the way you look at hard things will completely transform. You deserve a life where you feel proud of yourself. You deserve a mind that works for you, not against you. And if you want more videos that help you grow, stay focused, and build your best self, then like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more real guidance that makes you stronger every day. You've got this. I'm with you.